Welcome to Lily Artist English. This is a very beautiful border design as you have requested to show a border design, and you can draw this design by the help of a bangle and rubber band. I have already shown in the video how can you draw this design on my main channel Lily Artist Fabric Work. For painting the flower of the design I am using crimson, cerulean blue, sky blue and white color combination, sap green and white for the leaves, and you will need these brushes. If you don't have exactly the same brushes, you can use another one also, it's not a big deal. And one more color, Indian red. Okay, it is a brown shade color, so we are using the brown shade for connecting lines. After that we will start painting leaf with sap green, light green and white color combination. If you are confused with the light green color, use greenery or fevicryl. It will give you a very beautiful effect in the leaves especially. And sap green and white you are very clear with, so you can use sap green of any brand, greenery and white for this effect. After painting green part of the design, I'm painting the flower one by one. So here I'm using a very easy method to paint this flower, so you don't have any worries or problem with painting this flower. So apply white color as a base. Simply just fill the white color and then you will use crimson red color, you can see that, and outline the petal like that and shade. So this is a very easy method to paint with, because when you are applying the white base and then red color, it will blend it out and give you a red, pink and white effect. Here is a twist in this design. You don't have to paint all the flower with the red color combination. Leave the one flower just beside the red one and start painting another with the red color combination, and you have to do the same with the another one. Okay, so here we have five flowers, so you have to paint 1, 3 and 5th flower with the red color combination, and 2 and 4 If we are numbering these flower like 1 2 3 4, so you have to paint number 1 flower and then 3 and 5 with the red color combination, okay? And number 2 and 4 will be painted with another color, okay? For painting the center part of the flower, I am just adding a little dots. It will pop up and give it a cute look. And for number 2 and 4 flower, we have to fill sky blue color as a base color and then shade it and outline it with cerulean blue, okay? So you have to fill sky blue, the light one, the light blue color as a base color. And this is how you can paint this very beautiful yet easy border design on your border of sari or dupatta very easily. I hope you like this video. Only subscribe this channel if you are genuinely interested in fabric painting, because here you all going to see about fabric painting. Share with your friends and family. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.